Hey guys, I have kind of like I've cut a hole in the bottom of this, and let me show you why. Put my phone down. Okay, I should say to make the chain like so the chain will just come out, and I don't know, I mean, I kind of think that's kind of cool when the chain comes out, but my dad started moving the handcuff with this, but it still works, it still holds the handcuffs, so, and again, I do have the Model 100s. I love these handcuffs. And I also do love the chain or the hinge cuffs too. I don't have them yet. I don't know where they are, but whatever. So yeah, like, comment, or subscribe. See you later.